I'll give you one more problem for you to solve. Just you can try. See, they say they have given a diagram actually, and the diagram is having the three circle, and the three circle, they say this is A, and there is another circle here B, okay, and this is C. Now they have given the region, this is, they have given with this as V, okay, then this is U, that is A and C intersecting as U, and they have given this as S, T, P, R, Q. Just instead of the number they have given the variable. This diagram is given already, and they say in a given diagram circle A represents teacher, so A represents the teachers and the B represents that is A represents the teacher who teach physics, so I will take it as physics teacher, okay, and circle B represents the teacher who can teach chemistry, so chemistry teacher, and C represents the one who teach mathematics, so maths teacher. The question is, among the region marked P, Q, R, so on, the one represents the teacher who can teach physics and maths but not chemistry is. So the question is, who teach physics and maths but not chemistry? Okay, so the options are V, U, S, T. I'll give you some few seconds for you to think, and you can try to answer before I answer the question. So they say, who teach physics and maths but not chemistry? Okay, so come to the diagram. This is physics, this is chemistry, and this is maths. Okay, so if you would have understood the previous concept, you should be able to tell the answer now. So who teach physics and maths but not chemistry? Who teach physics and maths but not chemistry? Okay, so just to try the answer, I'll give few seconds, and afterwards I will tell the answer. Then you can verify whether your answer is correct or not. If you would have understood the concept, then you should surely tell the correct answer. Okay, so I'll give some time now. Okay, fine. Okay, now I am going to answer the question. They say physics and maths. So here is the physics and maths. So the region physics and maths is nothing but these two. Okay, but say physics and maths but not chemistry. So cancel this one. So the option is, the answer is U. So where is the answer? So it is present in the second option. Is it clear? Okay. So the problem is very simple for you now. I'll give one more problem where the Venn diagram is given along with the values. Okay, so we'll solve this one. Okay, again this is a from the previous year question paper only. See, they have given paper 1 and they have given paper 2 and paper 3, and this diagram itself given 3, 12, 4, 8, 2, 5, 6. Okay, so the question says like this: the numbers in the Venn diagram are the person reading the newspapers indicated. So the numbers indicate the persons reading the newspaper. Okay, the diagram is drawn after surveying 50 persons. So the total is 50 persons. Okay, in a population of 10,000, so in a population of 10,000, how many can be expected to read at least 2 newspapers? How many can be expected to read at least 2 paper? Okay, so the options are 5,000, 6,250, then 6,000, then 5,400. Clear? And one more thing, I want to discuss some concept again. See, we have these 3 regions, right? Whenever they say at least 2 means it is 2 or more. So we have to include these areas. These are the areas represents at least 2. If they say, I will put the heading here, this is at least 2. If they say exactly 2, it means, see the Venn diagram. Okay, we have to shade only this part because this is exactly 2, this is exactly 2, and this is exactly. So we have to add all these values. Is it clear? If they would have said exactly 1, if they would have said exactly 1, then you just see which are the region I am going to shade now. It is again based on the first concept which I discussed before. So exactly 1 means this region is representing the exactly 1. You understood? Only this, not the entire circle, and this, and this. So these represents exactly 1. Clear? So now come to this question. They have given this diagram and the question is asking for how many can be expected to read at least 2. So at least 2 means it is 2 or more. So it is 2 and this is 3. 3 in the sense all the 3. That is at least 2 means it is 3 or 2 or more, isn't it? So it means it is exactly reading 2 and exactly reading 3. So I will write it here, at least 2. At least 2 is nothing but exactly 2 and exactly 3. So I just circled. I am going to add all these values 12, 8, 2 and 5. Okay. So 12, 8, 2 and 5. So totally this will come to 27. So out of 50, 27 read at least 2. Then out of 10,000, how many read? So we have to use the same logic. That is, we have to multiply these two and we have to divide by this value. So if you do so, it will be 27 into 10,000 by 50. Okay, cut 1 0. So this will be how much? 200. So 27 into 2, 54 and 2 zeros. Is it clear? So what are the concepts, extra concepts I will be discussing along with the problem itself. So don't take the problem as very light by thinking that you know very well, because some concept I will be telling along with the problem only, not in general. So here this at least 2, exactly 2, exactly 1, all these things I have not discussed separately. I am explaining along with the problem itself. Okay. So just observe the concept so that it will be helpful for you in applying the later problems. So the answer is 5,400, and where is 5,400? It is present in the option D. That's all. Clear? Fine.